Today we are making rhubarb custard desserts. We already have added the flour and sugar. Now we are going to add the butter to make the crust. We are beating this at low speed until the crust is done. We are putting this in the oven for 7 minutes. We are adding 1.5 cups of sugar to the rhubarb. Sugar fall. I am adding 6 egg yolks and adding it in the rhubarb. Rhubarb pie in the oven for 40 minutes. We are making the meringue with 6 egg yolks. Starting it off slowly, and we're going to speed it up in a minute. Add 2 pinches of cream of tartar. Now we are slowly adding the sugar. Now we're putting the meringue on.